How to crossplay Stardew Valley. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn everything you need to know about crossplay in Stardew Valley, whether it's possible, which platform supported, and what workarounds exist. So if you're trying to play with friends on different systems, stay tuned. Section 1. Does Stardew Valley support crossplay? Let's start with the short answer. Unfortunately, Stardew Valley does not support the true crossplay. That means you cannot play together if you're on different platforms like PC and Switch or Xbox and PlayStation. Multiplayer is available, but only within the same platform family. So if you're on Nintendo Switch, you can only play with other Switch players. Same goes for PC, PlayStation and Xbox. Section 2. What platforms can play together? On PC, there's a bit more flexibility. If one friend bought the game on Steam and another on GOG, they can play together, since both versions run the same code. That's as close to crossplay as it gets right now. However, mobile versions, like iOS and Android, do not support multiplayer at all, unless you're using unofficial mods on Android. Section 3. Are there workarounds? Now, if you are really determined, you can explore modes on PC like Smop, or try setting up a virtual LAN with your friends. But these are advanced and only work on PC. There is no way to connect consoles or mobile players using these tricks. As of now, the developer concerned Apple has said crossplay is not planned due to technical limitations between platforms. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to crossplay works, or rather, does not work, in Stardew Valley. If you found this tutorial helpful, give a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.